Welcome back, guys. In today's episode we are going to be fitting poly bushes to the rear suspension on Project MR2. We are massively up against it on timescale on this build now, so I've drafted in some help. We have Jonathan J. Quire, who you may remember from How Not to Wrap Your Car.
Oh no!
And we also have Rich Edwards, the man who managed to fix our coolant leak the other night, and you may remember from other videos such as Hello Rich. Hello Rich. Anyway, I'm talking too much, I'm not doing enough. Let's go and take a look. Now then, if you remember from last time, we were removing all of these bushes from these suspension arms. Since then they've all had a lovely coat of paint and we've got some brand new, all the way from Australia, Super Pro poly bushes. So let's set the camera up and we're going to send Rich to work fitting the bushes into the arms and then fitting them onto the car. Me and John are going to work on our rear exhaust mountings because somebody managed to snap all of the bolts off, so we now need to weld on some captive nuts. Loving life with Project MR2 as always. First things first, never rush your curly whirly to film an outro because you'll probably be sick. So there we have it. We've absolutely smashed it tonight. We've got the rear suspension on one side and the brakes, and it was all going very well. I had a little look at the exhaust and I managed to snap one of the mounting brackets. So yes, I did. Not you, John. I snapped something for a change. So the welder's coming back out and we're going to be doing a bit of welding, but you know, it's not the end of the world. I'm waiting on a hub in the post for the driver's side. But where is that hub coming from? And the answer is Toyota MR2 Mk1 Spare Parts, which is run by Neil Jones. He's on Facebook and he's also got a website. I'll put a link in the description so you can go and check out his stuff. He's easy to deal with. His prices are more than reasonable. He dispatches things really quickly, and I'm sure a lot of you Mk1 MR2 boys already know about him. But if you're in the market for spare parts, let's just say he's a majority shareholder of Mk1 MR2s. He's got a hell of a lot of them, and like I say, he knows every nut and bolt and screw and rivet inside out. He's your guy. Go check him out. That I will paint and then reassemble the other side, so that'll be all the suspension and brakes front and rear done, and then it will be exhaust, plugs, distributor cap, rotor arm, coolant leak fixed. Will it hold pressure? Probably not. But we are getting extremely close now, guys. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of the build and more of the boys, you love the boys, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful couple of days. We'll see you soon. I'm going to go and finish my curly whirly and try not to choke on the rest of it. See you later. Outtake City.
When we're about, he just gives us shit.
Yeah. you did this the whole time.
That's alright, they don't look at me, they look at the cars. You guys were meant to say, let's go and take a look.
But you said it 3 times, so I thought I wouldn't.
You could say it. Let's get into it. Let's go and take a look! You were meant to say, let's go and take a
I thought you were going to
look!
say it 1,000,000 times. And
No! Only one! Darren Pipe.
Should we do one more?
Who's gonna hold me? We're doing so well. Bullshit. Yes, bushes. Which are Polly. Damn it!
Polly Bush.
Polly Bush.
Focus.
I am focused.
Take 2.
Hello, Rich. Did you have to cough? Not really. And you remember him, and you may remember him from certain videos. We're gonna go once more.
Let's go take a look.
How do people do channels with their friends? I don't know.
Lots of outtakes.